Right now, I'm on Donner Summit. Now, a little tidbit of history here. A while back, a couple years ago, the Donner Party, while making their way west, found themselves in this area. And they got caught in a pretty nasty snowstorm. They went about eating each other as a means to survive in the harsh winter storm they had found themselves in. Fortunately, I don't have to worry about that. But being here is kind of creepy. You know? The ghosts of Donner Pass. If there is such a thing, I don't know. Either way, it's just kind of a trip. And I mean, it's not much. Some rocks, some trees. Cannibalism. Oh, cannibalism. Oh, you awful cannibalist. Yeah, fortunately I'm by myself right now. There's nobody gonna eat me. What are you doing? Hey, what are you doing back home, huh? What are you doing? I'll tell you what I'm doing. Standing on Donner Pass. Good old Donner Pass. Standing here on Donner Pass. What you know about Donner Pass?